times in your life you were making notes during the important meeting or lecture in the university, and then you recognize that you can't remember what this note's about. I had the same problem during my last year in university, so I came up with the idea to create the app which allows students making notes and recording lectures at the same time. The recorded voice is synced with the notes which you have taken, so while revising, you can find the relevant minute of the recorded audio by just simply clicking on the related notes you have taken. This app will be beneficial for students in schools, universities, or colleges. There are more than 2.3 million students in the UK and 80% of them are making notes. It will be a subscription-based app with the cost of $3.99 a month. At the moment, this app is available on App Store for free, so you can try it and give us the feedback. Thank you.